Welcome to the future of our kitchens. In 2025, smart ovens redefine cooking. Experience intuitive, efficient, and precise culinary technology. Say goodbye to conventional cooking. Embrace the smart oven revolution. As we step into 2025, smart ovens signify a monumental leap beyond mere digital controls. These ovens are equipped with sophisticated sensors, adaptive algorithms, and AI-powered food recognition. They suggest optimal cooking modes, monitor progress remotely, and offer multi-zone cooking. This technology maximizes oven space and includes advanced self-cleaning and predictive maintenance, ensuring peak performance and extending the appliance's lifespan. At the heart of the modern smart oven's enhanced user experience lies robust Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote operation, firmware updates, and remote diagnostics. Imagine preheating your oven on your way home or using voice commands when your hands are full. This seamless integration makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. Welcome back. Today we're diving into energy-saving functions in smart ovens. These features reduce electricity bills and minimize environmental impact. Think advanced insulation, precision heating, and eco modes. Smart ovens are a step towards a sustainable future. Let's talk about fitting smart ovens into compact kitchens. Smart ovens maximize space without sacrificing functionality. They blend seamlessly into modern, space-conscious lifestyles. Countertop and wall ovens offer intelligent cooking technology. Combi steam ovens combine multiple functions, saving space. Rapid preheat and efficient ventilation are crucial. Integrated microwave functionality declutters countertops. Enjoy smart cooking in any small kitchen. Compact smart ovens are packed with the latest technology. Welcome back. Automatic baking sensors in smart ovens ensure perfect results by monitoring moisture, temperature, and even color. These sensors work together, adjusting settings in real time. It's like having an experienced baker constantly monitoring your food. This dynamic, responsive cooking sets smart baking apart. Welcome back, everyone. Imagine controlling your oven from anywhere with a smartphone app. Preheat your oven remotely, monitor cooking progress, and adjust settings on the fly. This is true convenience, making your cooking experience seamless and stress-free. In today's fast-paced world, time is our most valuable commodity. Smart ovens streamline cooking, saving precious minutes with rapid preheat and automated programs. They allow you to cook multiple dishes efficiently, freeing up time for other tasks. Reclaim your precious minutes with smart ovens. Whether you're a complete beginner in the kitchen or an experienced home cook looking to refine your skills, a smart oven can be a genuine game changer, helping you to significantly upgrade your cooking game. These intelligent appliances are designed not just to cook food, but to guide you, assist you, and empower you to achieve culinary results you might have previously thought were beyond your reach. They can demystify complex cooking techniques, and provide a supportive platform for culinary exploration, making the journey to becoming a more confident and capable cook both exciting and accessible for everyone. It's like having a patient culinary instructor built right into your kitchen. One of the key ways smart ovens help elevate your skills is through their guided cooking programs and extensive built-in recipe libraries. Many models offer step-by-step instructions displayed directly on the oven's interface or via the companion smartphone app. These programs often specify not just temperatures and times, but also rack positions, required cookware, and even preparation tips. For novice cooks, this hand-holding approach can be incredibly reassuring, removing the intimidation factor from trying new recipes and ensuring a higher likelihood of success from the very first attempt, building a strong foundation of cooking confidence. The precision temperature control offered by smart ovens is another crucial factor in upgrading your cooking abilities. Traditional ovens can often have significant temperature fluctuations, leading to inconsistent results. Smart ovens, however, utilize advanced sensors and algorithms to maintain incredibly precise and stable temperatures throughout the cooking process. This accuracy allows you to experiment with a wider range of dishes, including those that are particularly sensitive to temperature variations, like delicate soufflés, perfectly tempered chocolate, or artisanal breads. Knowing your oven will perform reliably gives you the confidence to tackle more ambitious culinary projects. Ultimately, the consistent and predictable results you achieve with a smart oven play a massive role in building your confidence in the kitchen. When your cakes come out perfectly risen every time, your roasts are consistently juicy and tender, and your bread has that ideal crust, you naturally become more enthusiastic and adventurous in your cooking. Each successful dish reinforces your skills and encourages you to try new things. This positive feedback loop is instrumental in transforming you from a hesitant cook into someone who genuinely enjoys the creative process of preparing delicious meals, eager to share your creations with others. Smart ovens are revolutionizing kitchens by integrating air fryers, saving counter space, and delivering healthier, crispy food. They combine powerful convection systems and advanced heating elements for perfect air frying. Larger capacities mean you can cook more at once, making them ideal for families. The versatility of smart ovens enhances your cooking experience, from roasting to reheating. Elevate your kitchen with a smart oven today. Welcome back, everyone. We're diving deeper into the revolution that smart ovens are bringing to our kitchens, and it's all about cooking smarter, not harder. Think about it. These aren't just boxes that heat up your food anymore. They are becoming genuine culinary assistants, equipped with intelligence that understands the nuances of cooking. This shift means you're getting more than an appliance. You're investing in a partner that actively helps you achieve better results. The goal here is to elevate your cooking experience, moving beyond simple automation to intuitive support that anticipates your needs and guides you towards culinary perfection, making every meal an opportunity to explore and succeed. The integration of artificial intelligence and sophisticated machine learning algorithms is at the heart of this smarter cooking paradigm. These ovens learn from vast data sets of recipes, cooking techniques, and even your own cooking habits over time. Imagine an oven that not only recognizes the type of food you've placed inside, but also suggests the optimal cooking mode, temperature, and duration based on its accumulated knowledge. This adaptive learning capability means your oven gets better at serving your specific preferences the more you use it, It's like having a seasoned chef's intuition built right into your kitchen, constantly refining its approach to help you. One of the most significant ways smart ovens help you cook smarter is through their guided cooking features. For many, the kitchen can be a place of uncertainty, especially when trying new or complex recipes. Smart ovens aim to eliminate that guesswork entirely. They can display step-by-step instructions directly on their interface or a connected app, walking you through each part of the preparation and cooking process. Some models even adjust settings automatically as you progress through the recipe. This level of guidance not only ensures successful outcomes, but also builds your confidence, encouraging you to experiment with new dishes you might have previously found daunting. Ultimately, cooking smarter with these advanced technologies translates into consistently achieving restaurant quality results right in your own home. The precision offered by smart sensors, AI-driven adjustments, and guided cooking minimizes the chances of overcooking or undercooking your meals. This means more delicious food, less waste, and a greater sense of accomplishment with every dish you prepare. It's about transforming your everyday cooking from a chore into a creative and rewarding process where technology empowers you to explore new culinary horizons with ease and precision, making every meal a testament to smarter choices. Now let's talk about how all this smart technology, particularly in our ovens, translates into a tangible benefit living better. The modern kitchen, powered by intelligent appliances, is transforming from a mere functional space into a hub of efficiency, creativity, and genuine enjoyment. Imagine a kitchen where tasks that once felt tedious are now streamlined or automated, freeing up your time and mental energy. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the reality that smart ovens and other connected devices are bringing into our homes today. This efficiency reduces stress and makes the entire cooking process more approachable for everyone in the household. This enhanced efficiency directly contributes to a better work-life balance, something many of us strive for. When your smart oven can be preheated on your way home from work via an app, or when it can perfectly cook a meal with minimal supervision, you reclaim precious minutes, even hours, in your day. This saved time can be spent with family, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. Smart kitchen technology, therefore, plays a vital role in reducing the daily grind, allowing you to manage your household responsibilities more effectively and dedicate more time to what truly matters, enhancing your overall quality of life significantly. Moreover, there's an undeniable joy in cooking when the frustrating elements are removed and success is more predictable. Smart ovens, with their precision and guidance, take the guesswork out of cooking, leading to consistently delicious results. This reliability encourages culinary exploration and experimentation, making cooking less of a chore and more of a creative outlet. When you know your appliance is working with you, providing support and ensuring great outcomes, the entire experience becomes more pleasurable. This renewed enjoyment in the kitchen can inspire healthier eating habits and a greater appreciation for home-cooked meals, fostering a positive food culture. Ultimately, a well-equipped modern kitchen with a smart oven at its core becomes a catalyst for a better lifestyle. It's a space that supports healthier eating choices by making it easier to prepare nutritious meals from scratch. It fosters more family time, as simplified cooking processes can involve everyone, turning meal preparation into a shared activity. The modern kitchen is no longer just about sustenance, it's about creating an environment that enhances well-being, connection, and the simple pleasures of daily life, making your home a more nurturing and enjoyable place to be. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the incredible world of smart ovens and how they are poised to redefine your entire kitchen experience. The core message we have explored today is simple yet profound. Cook smarter, live better. These aren't just catchy phrases. They represent the tangible benefits that modern kitchen technology, spearheaded by these intelligent ovens, can bring into your daily life. From AI-powered cooking assistants to seamless app control and energy-saving designs, the future of cooking is undeniably intelligent, efficient, and incredibly exciting for all of us. Now, we've journeyed through the most advanced features you can expect in 2025, explored how Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control enhance usability, and understood the value of built-in recipe support and automatic sensors. We've seen how these ovens cater to every kitchen size, save you precious time, and even eliminate the need for separate appliances like air fryers. It's clear that upgrading to a smart oven isn't just about getting a new appliance. It's about fundamentally upgrading your cooking game and embracing a more streamlined, enjoyable approach to creating meals for yourself and your loved ones. The modern kitchen is no longer a distant dream, it's an accessible reality, and smart ovens are a cornerstone of this evolution. We encourage you to explore the possibilities, consider how these technological marvels can fit into your lifestyle, and take that step towards a kitchen that works harder for you so you don't have to. Imagine the culinary adventures that await, the new recipes you'll master, and the extra time you'll gain. Welcome to the modern kitchen, a space where technology and taste converge to create something truly special every single day. Thank you so much for joining me, Dean Shah, on this exploration of the top smart ovens for your modern kitchen. I hope this has been informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on the latest tech and gadgets that make life better, please hit that like button, subscribe to Dean Shah's YouTube channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Cook smarter, live better, and I'll see you in the next one.